Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my Python series. In this lecture we'll see some methods of list. There are some built-in methods in Python which we can use in our list. Those are very helpful and time saving. So in this lecture we will see some of those methods which we need for our projects. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, I will create a new Python file. I will name list methods. Okay. So what is a list method? Say suppose we have a list called names and we have names of Nafiz, Asif, uh, Na, Kamal. So say suppose we have four names in our list and there is a method if to add a element to our list. So we can write here name dot. So what is this dot operator do? This dot operator give us the ability to call some method. So what method we need? We need append, append, append. So what this append does? This append adds a element to our list. Say suppose we want to add chair. Say suppose we want to add banana. Can't find any name. Okay, so suppose we want to add banana to our list. So we can say name dot append and then we can give the parameter of our name which is banana and we can run this. If we run this, okay, we need to print it first. I forgot to print it. Okay, print name. Okay, so if we run this, we can see that banana has been added at the last of our list. So this is how we can add an element to our list. Say suppose we want to remove element, so we can write here remove. We can write here remove and give us a parameter which is banana and we can run this. So now we can see we are getting a error here. So what the error is saying, remove banana. Okay, this error is saying that there is no element called banana in our list. So if we write here Asif and run this, we can see that Asif is no longer inside of our list. So so this is how we can remove our element from our list. So what happened the last time is we used append and we given a name of banana to it. So what it does, it appends the list. So after that, if we write name dot remove banana, this time we don't have any error because in the second line we have appended one element there and the third time we have removed that element from the list. So this is how we can add and remove element from our list. Say suppose we want to add a element in a certain position we want. So we can write method, we can call a method called insert. So what this insert does, this insert takes two parameters. One is the index and other one is the object which you want to insert. So what is the index? Say suppose we want to add a name at the beginning, so we can give the index 0 and the name, okay, banana, and the name banana. So if we run this, we'll be seeing in our console that the banana has been added to the first of our list. Say suppose we want to add this to the third position, so we can give the 3 and we have 0 1 2. So this is the third position, we can see banana. So by using insert, we can insert a certain element in a targeted index. So suppose we want to what we can do here, we have seen remove. Now how about we want to empty our list? So we can call a parameter called clear, or a method called clear. So what this clear does, it removes all the elements from our list. If we print our list, we will see a empty list because it has been cleared by this clear method. There is another method that can be used to remove an element, that is called pop, and it also don't have any parameters. What this pop do, it removes the last element of our list. So it will remove Kamal and we can see Munna. And the remove element, what that does, the remove is remove the certain elements. Suppose we want to remove Munna, we can write here Munna and it will remove Munna. But what the pop does, that pop removes the last element of our list. Say suppose we want to know the length of our list. We can use the len function for this. The len, we can write len. Inside there we will give the parameter of our list variable Nafiz, and if we print the len here, so sorry, what this len returns an integer value. So we will write, say suppose we have n is equal to len. So what this len stores the length of our list here. So if we print this, we will be seeing an integer value. So that is the length of our string, showing 4, because the length of our string is 4, 1 2 3 and 4. This is the length value. So this will return us the length. We also have count. Say suppose we have another one called Nafiz. Okay, Nafiz. Now if we use name dot count, we need to give a variable here. So we can give Nafiz here. What it will do, it will count. It will give us the count of Nafiz, how many times that Nafiz occurs here. So n is equal to, and we will print we will print n, and if we run this, we can see 2 here, because Nafiz has occurred 2 times in our list. So by using count, we can count a certain element, how many times it has been appearing in our list. So this was the basic methods of list which we will be needing a lot in our project. So I hope you enjoyed today's lecture and learn something from it. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.